Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to do a port scan. In the previous video you learned how to scan a network for discovering live hosts. So let's get started. The first tool we are going to use is Nmap. So let me first show you the help menu of Nmap by typing nmap -h and press enter. So this is the help menu of Nmap, and so these are the flags you can use in your command. So we will use this T flag, and let's use this -hyphen flag, and for port scanning we can use -p. So okay, let me clear the terminal. Sorry, it's a typo. So type nmap -T, and I will use 4. Okay, sorry, I forgot to tell you. So as you can see, -T is used for setting time template. Higher is faster. So, and you can give it a range from 0 to 5. I am giving it 4. And the next thing I am going to use is capital A hyphen capital A, and capital A is used for enable OS detection, version, script scanning and trace route. And then just use IP of your target machine 192.168.1.3 and press enter. So let it scan. So as you can see, the host seems down. If it is really up but blocking out ink scan, try -pn. So this time we will use capital P and small n space and press enter. So as you can see, Nmap has completed its scan. So it has found 4 ports are open on the target machine. So the state is open, the service is this, and this is the version, and the OS operating system is Windows, and this is the script. I don't think this is of some use to you. If you don't want to wait, then you can use -v in your command and press enter. So it will display something on the terminal. As soon as it completes the scan, it will show the results on the terminal. So you can don't forget to use -v if you don't want to get bored while scanning ports, while doing a port scan. So let it complete its search. In the meanwhile, let me show you other commands that we can use. So hyphen small s and capital S can be used for a scene scan. And then SA is used for egg, setting a egg flag in your packets. So we will use this in our next command. And you can also specify a port range using this -p. So and let's see what else is available in the nmap command. So these are the examples. You can take a look at these examples. If you want to scan the whole network, then you can use this command also. As you can see, it has found that these ports are open, and the operating system is Windows. So we almost got the same result. So let's clear the terminal, and this time let's use this flag. Let's do a scene scan, and we will use -s, small s and capital S for scene scan, and press enter, and let's see if we see any difference in the results. So your request is kind of which requires root privileges. Okay, so let's add sudo in front of our command and press enter, press password, and let's see if we get to see something different this time. Okay, so we almost got the same result, but this time we also got to know the MAC address of the machine. So this is how you can do a port scan. Now let me show you how we can use an Hping3 tool to do a port scan. Let me clear the terminal and show you the Hping3 help menu. So this is the help menu. So in the previous video we used this -1 for ICMP mode, and in this video we are going to use -8 for scanning, for doing a port scan. So let me clear this terminal. And let's type sudo Hping3, and since we are going to do a port scan, so I will use this -scan, and I will enter a port range. So I want to scan ports from 1 to 1024, and then IP of your target machine .168.1.3, and let's see which ports are open on the target machine. So as you can see, these are the ports, so not responding ports. So the Hping3 has not found any open ports. Okay, so let me clear the terminal. let me use a scene scan, and for this purpose I will add -s, -S. So this is the result of your Hping scan. So Hping3 has managed to find 3 open ports in the target machine. So let's try to do a reset scan by using -r. Let me clear the terminal. And let's see if we get a different result this time or not. So we can also use capital A for setting a ACK flag and capital U for setting urgent flag. So let's see. This time we did not find any open ports. So let's use -U for setting urgent flag. Okay, so this time also we did not find any open ports. And what if we use -F flag? So let's see. Alive. You can use -V to see all the replies, and let's see. So this time also we did not find any open port using a fin flag. So let's use Xmas flag, and let's see if we find any different result. And this time we will use -V also. So let's press enter. So as you can see, this time also we did not find any open ports. So if we use -S, if we use a SYN flag in our command, we get 3 open ports. So the reply, we got a SYN and acknowledgement flag in response, and this is time to leave, this is the ID, and this is the length of the packet, so this is the service name. So this is how you can use Hping3 and Nmap to scan open ports on the target machine. In the next video we will learn how to do a banner grabbing and how to bypass firewalls and IDS. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. See you in the next video.